G'day, g'day, comrade subscribers. So I can't believe I haven't done a video on the TS1500s yet. I've had them for a while. Just power that one off. Yeah, interesting machines. So they're essentially ZX81s or TS1000s, if you will, that have been kind of upgraded with 16K of RAM. We've replaced the original Ferranti ULA with, I think, with this square package one here, NCR, I think, and put it in a ZX Spectrum case. So these are actually manufactured in Portugal. I think 1983 they came out. So they didn't meet much success. Basically, people were wondering what their purpose was for, really. If they had colour, then obviously they were probably at that stage there would have been more interest. But yeah, a 16K ZX81 was, yeah, not much interest. And there are issues with expandability as well, because obviously it's gone into a ZX Spectrum style case with the keyboard. So the keyboard's probably a step up from the membrane. But the you can see obviously we've got the expansion here, but we also have the power, the cassette, and the video output also here. So this is okay for a ZX say RAM pack. So apparently you could, there were some 16K RAM packs where you could upgrade it to 32K of RAM. But actually, let me just grab some. You see what you can see what I mean. Right. So as I was saying, I'll just whack this on just for completeness. So you can obviously see that with the normal RAM pack, no problems. Let me actually unplug that. You can still get to the power, you can still get to everything else. But if you were going to use one of the Memotech expansions, you can already see the problem. So the Memotech expansion is quite long, and yeah, obviously if you put it on, alright, you can still access your power, but then you've got your cassette and you've got your video output blocked. So one of them actually came with this. So someone's actually made their own expansion or extender. So I might actually, I've been meaning to make one myself. You can obviously do it like this. So this one's a bit long, but you can see obviously that solves the issue. Yeah, so I guess one of the other reasons why they came out with this was to solve the 16K wobble issue by having 16K in it. Probably if they came out with this to start with, well, they couldn't have done that because, you know, Sinclair hadn't come out with the Spectrum yet. But yeah, a bit of a missed opportunity, I guess. Anyway. So, and then yeah, obviously if you're going for something modern like the ZXPAND, you've got the similar issue as the Memotech, like so. You can't get any video out. Yeah. Or can you? What was that for? I can't remember what that was. Oh, that's joystick. Okay. Okay, so what's the situation? Well, they're not outputting any video at the moment, so we need to sort that out. Let me just get this off and we'll continue. Right, well, before we continue, let's do our usual and have a close look at the machines. So ZX Spectrum style keyboard, but with TS1000 keycaps, including delete rather than rub out. So this one's okay. Other one's got the usual issue with the broken bit there. So it's just a matter, I guess, of taking off the metal fascia, getting a new membrane. The ZX Spectrum membrane will do the job, I assume. Right, so like I said, I've got two copies. I think they were mainly used, from what I've seen, is one of them actually came like this. Is one of them was used as a kind of a portable computer training kit. Came in a briefcase with a data recorder and things like that. And the other one I think was used to control a HVAC system, which is quite interesting. So, but yeah, so both they're all made in Portugal. This one here, we've got the ROM. Only the ROM is socketed. You've got the ULA there, got the Z80 there, and we've got our 16K of RAM along the bottom there. So yeah, pretty simple computer still, really. Because yeah, ULA does all the work. This one here, we've got some socketing going, extra more socketing. So we've still got the ROM socketed, but this one we've got the Z80 socketed. And we've also got the RAM socketed, which is always nice. So, and actually, I don't know about this. I don't know if the ULA has been replaced at some stage, because it does look like there is a bit of flux kind of debris around it. Whereas you look at the other one, it's a lot cleaner. Anyway, you can see here I've done two composite mods, so I don't know what on earth I was up to. Here I've done the typical ZX81 emitter follower, kind of buffer with a transistor. Although I don't, what have I done with the resistors? Maybe, yeah, down there. Here I've just got a straight capacitor, so I don't know what the hell I was doing. Although I do have a transistor here, so I don't know what I was trying to do. But we do have some documentation here, thanks to David Anderson on his website. Very excellent repository of Timex Sinclair information, except for at the moment because archive.org is down, and that's where a lot of links to magazines and things were. Anyway, I think I just got a notification, so I'll be back in a minute. Right, where was I? Okay, so TS1500 video still includes the back porch, which was always an issue with the ZX81 until the last ULA version. So composite video, well, it's not really composite, there's no color, but yeah. So composite video output is available on pin 53 of the TS1500 standard cell logic device, the CPLD, which is the ULA thing. It is connected to diode D19 and then to a voltage divider formed by R1, R2. The signal from the voltage divider, signal goes to the RF modulator, which produces a signal. Modulator has three outputs: video, input, power, and channel 2-3 selection. Okay, right. So you need a single NPN transistor, like the 2N33904, a short length of wire. Yeah, so I don't know what I've done here. Okay, I do actually, I think I've tried to be tricky with it. So I don't know why I've put, I need to get that out of there. But I have actually put the transistor in, like so. So the question is, why do I have that in there? And then there's D19, and then you've got R1, and you had R2 up there. So there's definitely no, let me just check, let's set up the oscilloscope, because there's definitely nothing comes on the screen at the moment. Draws about 300 milliamps when running. So let's check the oscilloscope. Okay, let's power on by plugging it in. Where's the power? Okay. And so let's check the let's check what's on. So there's basically nothing there. So that's the output to All right, let's check the input to the it doesn't really look like a proper video signal, does it? Okay. What about the diode? That's looking a bit better. That kind of looks like a video signal, doesn't it? So that's the output of the diode to the transistor. Okay, let me reorganize things a bit. Alright, so I'm not sure what I've done, but essentially, so the base should be connected to plus 5 volts. Oh no, the collector should be, so the base is actually video in. How am I looking at this? If I look at it that way, there. So the base should be video in, the emitter should be video out, and the collector should be plus 5 volts. So what have I done? I've done this all us about, yeah, all right. So I've got, looks like I've got the collector connected to video out, then via, that's a complete mess. No wonder it's not working. Let me clean this up and we'll try again. Looking at the other one, so this is how I did the other one. That looks correct to me actually. So we've got the emitter connected to the video out. We've got the base, which should be the video in, which is coming from over here. So it looks like the way I did it is I've got the diode connected up to R1 and I've removed R2. And yeah, so base is video in, and then we've got the collector connected to 5 volts. But I don't think this one's working because we don't get video output on that. So let's fix this one. Right, let's try this again. So obviously I've gutted the modulator like I normally do. So the instructions also say that you want to bypass R1 and D19. So pin 53, so if you have a look closely you can see, so pin 53 is the video output. It goes to the diode, and then we've got R1 and R2. So basically you want to go from the video output basically up to here. So R2 is gone, and I'm just taking it from the diode, which is the direct output from the CPLD or CLPD. And then I think it comes out, where does it come out? So I've got that there. Alright, so that's the video output signal that we want to hook up to the base of our transistor. And then I think this here is 5 volts. Alright, so that there's 5 volts. And then obviously we got the emitter going to the output. So emitter's going to the output there. This one's got the video input. So let's run a couple of wires in. Actually, I think I should have had something like this. So video in, 5 volts, and then run that over to there. I think that's how I should have done it. So let's try that. There we go. Not my best work. I prefer to do it. I think this is a much neater way of doing it, having the transistor inside and then just running the wires out. So, but we'll see what it does. We'll see if it's working now. If we get output. Just leave it like that, power it on, and we'll see. And there we go. So I think that's why I was trying the capacitor. I was trying to improve the output, because we've got jail bars. That's alright, I guess. It's working. try and load something maybe. Right, let's give this a try. I'm not sure exactly how compatible, because I'm going to try with the ZXPAND. I'm not sure how compatible it is with the TS1500, because the Expand has got 32K and it's not really expecting 16K internally, so there may be issues. I'll need to do some more research. I'll need to study the manual a bit more, especially like trying to load high-res, some modern games. It'd be good to try those out. But I've just got the good old 3D maze, a 3D monster maze on the card. So let's start recording. Let's power on. Let's see what happens. Okay. Yeah, see, that's what I was trying to fix. I was trying to fix that noise. Alright, let's see. Load. I think you just go load. That's going to give me P, isn't it? No. 3D maze. I haven't screwed down the case, so it's a little bit... Okay, I think that's what it's called. Okay, it's running. It's just very noisy. Screen. Okay, because the ZXPAND also has got the sound chip, and it's also got joystick support. I'll press something then. There we go. So it's running. Just really need to work on that output. Okay. Space. I can't remember. All right. Don't know what did I do then. Oh, did I break it? Oh, okay. It is break. Whoops. Can I run again? Okay. Roll up, roll up. Okay, I might have to go through this. Okay. So, wait for all that to come up. ZXPAND. Okay. Config. You can set the config. Okay, getting started, which is what I've done. Command reference. I'm just waiting for to come up with the... Alright. Press Shift G in K mode, replaces LS. Okay, config command. So config V. So I've had this for a while, so I press stop. If instructions are needed, then proceed. If instructions are needed, yes, okay, list. I press list. Controls are, come on, 5. Oh, okay, which is where the cursors are actually. 5, 7, and 8. Oh, okay. 5, 7, and 8. 5 and 8 and 7. Okay. Let's go then. Was it cont, wasn't it? Cont. See, I haven't used this one so much. Come on. Oh, jeez. Okay. Oh, come on. Okay. Best of luck. Okay, thank you. Okay. Alright. We're going to get the image back. Oh. No. Not going to get the image back. Nope. Oh, there we go. Okay. Right. 7 to move forward. Uh-oh. Alt 5, I'm pressing the wrong button. Need to get the keyboard set up for the joystick set up. Gonna run. I think somehow the whoops. I think somehow maybe the original ZX81 keyboard is more responsive, to be honest. Oh, I keep pressing the wrong key, don't I? Come on. Come on. Ah! Okay. Alright. Press stop. I don't know where that is. There it is. Stop. Appeal accepted. There we go. Bit disappointing about the image quality, so I'll try and work on that. Let's just stop recording that. But it does basically work. Need to make a shorter adapter board here. So what I need actually, if I power that off, pull that out. So what I need probably is something that just goes to there. I think that'll probably be enough. Where does it go? Yeah, there actually, yep. So maybe something like that. That'll probably be enough. See if I can get a right angle RCA plug. Okay, there we go. TS1500. Oh yeah, speaker. That's all for now.